Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Revi Nurhayati. I want to explanation text about how to fish bread. Definition of explanation text. Explanation is a text which tells process relating to forming of natural, social, scientific, and cultural phenomena. Explanation text is to say why and how of the forming of the phenomena. It is often found in science, geography, and history textbook. Generic structure of explanation text. General statement. General statement stating the phenomena which are to be explained. Sequence of explanation. Sequence of explanation starting a series of steps which explain the phenomena. Purpose of explanation text. Explanation is a text which tells process relating to forming of natural, social, scientific, and cultural phenomena to explain how or why something happens. Language feature of explanation text. 1. Simple present tense. 2. Action verbs. 3. Passive voice, noun, paras. 5. Technical terms. How to fish breathe. All animation breathe just like humans. How they breathe, however, varies. Breathe by inhaling oxygen and exhaling carbon dioxide as waste. Air flows in through the human's nose or mouth into the lungs, where oxygen is transported through the blood to the rest of human body. Human needs air to breathe. So, what does that mean for animals that live in the water? Like human, fish also need oxygen and emit carbon dioxide to survive, but using the lungs, these creatures that live in water use organs called gills. The gills are organs located on the side of the fish head. These gills have many small blood vessels called capillaries. When the fish opens, the water will flow over the gills. After that, the blood in the capillaries will pitch up oxygen that is soluble in water. The blood then moves through the fish body to provide oxygen throughout the body, just like in humans. All bony fish also have a bony plate called an operculum. This operculum is useful for opening and closing to protect the gills. Breathing underwater is difficult. The air we breathe has an oxygen concentration of 200,000 parts per million, where water only has a concentration of 4 to 8 parts per million. This means fish need to flow a lot of water over their gills to get amount of oxygen to survive. In addition, the gills are very useful for extracting the oxygen needed by fish. Breathing becomes more difficult as the oxygen concentration decreases. Low level of oxygen concentrate make it impossible for animals to survive. Although it can occur naturally, it can also be created by human activity. The pollution is high, such as waste dumped into the sea. This will cause algae blooms, which then die and decompose. Furthermore, it will cause the zone to have a low oxygen concentration level of oxygen. Fish need clean water to breathe. Similarly, humans need clean air to breathe. Humans can help these kill creatures to thrive by keeping their habitat free or pollutants. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.